Hi there, students. A Fillip to Fillip. Okay, let's see. A Fillip is a boost, a bonus, a push. So the decrease in interest rates has given the economy a big fillip. Winning the World Cup gave Argentina a great fillip. So a fillip is something that suddenly causes a lot of improvement. He's got a new girlfriend and she's English, and this has given a real fillip to his English. It has provided a real fillip to his English. And then to Fillip, well, this is a fillip. To Fillip, you put your finger and you flick. I think I would use the word flick, but we also use it then metaphorically to mean to boost, to stimulate. So the new technologies have given a fantastic fillip to his business. A fillip, something that excites, something that stimulates. The reduction in taxes has given a great fillip to the property market. Okay. The smell of this delicious food filliped my appetite. Okay, so to stimulate something. The rest seemed to fillip my energy, to fillip my enthusiasm. The students were getting bored, and I had to find a way to fillip their interest. To flick something with the finger. So the kids were filliping spitballs at the teacher. But a fillip, a stimulus, a stimulant, a boost, an encouragement, and incitement. So the trainer gave the team a fillip at half time, and this filliped their spirits. It filliped their performance, and they played much better. Maybe this filliped their confidence. So if you listen to my videos every day, this will certainly fillip your English language abilities, to spur on, to push, to spice up, to make stronger, to stimulate. Maybe a fillip, something that adds spice, that adds stimulation, that adds enjoyment. Chili powder will give a fillip, or will fillip any food. Well, that's if you like chili powder, which I do. The herbs and spices will fillip the meal. They will boost it. They will to fillip, a fillip, an incentive, a boost, a stimulus, encouragement, to spur on, to stimulate. It's like a pick-me-up. So winning the gold medal was a fillip to the British view of this sport. The prize that he won was a fillip to his literary career. Each rating that I get, each thumbs up, is a small fillip for my video. So a fillip, a boost, to spice something up. A couple of jokes will give your speech a fillip. Okay, it will spice it up. It'll make it more interesting. So let's see, formality. I think I'm going to give this a A 4.5, use it informally, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but not in something very formal. And as to origin, we have a Middle English word, Philippan, yeah, Philippan, this flick, but this is probably imitative, and I think that that's the idea. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A Fillip to Philip.